keep this one kind of quick. Soldering. Come on, focus, you fuck. Thank you. Whatever. Soldering has pretty much commenced. I've got all that done. I'm just wiring up that big ground that goes to underneath the bridge for the bass pickup, and the treble pickup is still sitting over there. I think this is a good place to stop for the night. And that wire, or the soldering iron, is unplugged. Here's the solder. Good news. Yep, that's that for the night. And then I will come back when I have more energy and I have not inhaled solder fumes. Oh, wow, that works pretty good.